How's everybody doing? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And today we have something different for sure. We have a turf job, and to be honest, this is not what we do. We're not the best at this, but what we did is we found some guys from Arizona who are the best at this and brought them out to Michigan. And just let me know what you guys think about this, and I hope you guys enjoy. Here it goes. So this will be our job site for the next couple of days, and what we'll do is dig everything up, set up our base, so the Arizona guys can come and do what they do. And you're probably looking at all this grass and thinking, why would the homeowners want turf in this backyard? And it's because they have dogs. And if you didn't know, dog urine kills grass, and they have cited this yard several times now, and it just keeps dying. Right. So they're tired of it, and they're gonna have a nice little turf spot for the dogs so they can use the bathroom in. And I'll give you guys more details as the video goes on.
I'm about to use the pickaxe. Huh? It's high? It's hot? Jumping at Eagle, I'm assuming. So the reason that car is there is because it doesn't start, and we tried rolling it back to give us more room to enter. But we don't have the keys to that car behind us. The homeowner's not home, so this is what we had to do for now.
Now that the grass is out, we can finally start setting up our string lines. And basically the string line represents the turf, where the turf is going to sit at. And we use this to decide how deep we have to dig now. For example, we want 7 inches between the ground and the string line. So if we're getting 3 inches, that means we have to dig another 4 inches. And this is something that we do all the time with brick patios and whatnot, but I'm not gonna lie, we were pretty confused this time just because it was turf. And since we don't work with turf, we were doubting our string line, but we ended up calling the Arizona guys to confirm, and we figured it out.
That's pretty tight, but make it tighter. Pretty good. But yeah, 1 inch down everywhere. Tomorrow, let's see what happens tomorrow, I guess. I hope we get a lot done. Let's go there earlier this time because when we went.
They're gonna finish this today and tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh, today's Thursday, right?
Today's Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
They leave Sunday, right?
And the next morning we'll tamp our crushed concrete and we'll add more of it and tamp it again just so we can get a hard surface, and we'll do it every 2 inches until we get to where we want to be at. But this is the day the Arizona guys get here. Their flight lands in Detroit around 12 and they're coming straight to work after that, so I know it's gonna be a rough day for them to see how it goes.
You have 3 cards.
So look, 2. Start with 2.
So this is where it's
Right,
come down to.
Look. He's banker 1. I lost. I lost $2.
And once we're done adding crushed concrete, we'll add a small layer of limestone slag just so we could get a nice, smooth, flat surface to roll our turf on. And now we're just doing the final touches here, getting it nice and smooth. And next comes the hard part, and you'll see why.
Hey, balance it out. Sit on top of the room. Can't get through probably. Yeah. Through the side of it? Yeah. The side, no. Yeah, I was just saying you can't get through. I can get all the way up to the past the car. Yeah. You can kick it up on your shoulder.
Yeah. You'll be hurt
Like
now.
when I move the whole carpet by yourself, you can stand it up. Ready? Shake my hands up. Hold on. Let's go. I'm gonna.
I don't even know how to hold it.
So if you don't feel like.
Let's grab the shovels again. We do it that way, no?
Yeah.
Good. Oh yeah.
We're going that way first?
1, 2, 3. Yeah, let's pull it off.
And now we let the Arizona guys do their thing, except nail it down and add this sand. I wouldn't know what's it called, I forgot, but they said that it has a consistency of cat litter. And basically what it does is that it kills off any of the bacteria that is produced by the dogs using the bathroom on it, just so that it's still safe for people to be on and walk on and crawl on and whatnot. The turf is done, it's all laid out, and it looks really good. The customer loves it. He even wants to put 10 feet more of it in the future, but all we have to do now is add sod around the turf just so the dogs don't track any mud. And this is how everything turned out. First job of the season done just like that, and I'm excited of what's to come. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and as always, on to the next job.